Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see watch history on Instagram. So guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and actually there's no watch history option on Instagram, but don't worry guys, because we can still see our watch history by opening our Instagram liked post and Instagram saved post. So first of all, we can open our Instagram profile, tap on this profile button, then you can click on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to click on saved post. Okay, and we can track our watch history right here. Click on all posts. Then you can see your saved post right here. This will help you to track your watch history on Instagram. And you can go to your Instagram liked post. We can go back to Instagram profile. Then we can tap on this three lines button. Then click on your activity. And you can click on likes. Then this is my liked post on my Instagram. And we can use it to track our Instagram watch history. Alright guys, and that's how we can see watch history on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.